Alright, we're back and gonna be continuing working on the Spotify mini player. So one thing I wanted to do was the authorization stuff on um, an AWS function. And before I do that, I want to clean up the stuff I really don't need. So that's fine. Let me see. All this is probably okay. And I'll just leave all that for now. And leave that. So yeah, this is gonna be different. Let's the play toggle though is gonna be a little bit more advanced, I guess. Let me think about this. Let's do function call Spotify API. So let's grab that code we had before for the fetch. And clean it up. And response. Let's go ahead and yeah, this is fine actually. Return. I don't know if we want to do JSON for this. Okay, we'll get rid of all these comments. What? Don't think I need a body for any of these. I'll leave this for now. Like I said before, I probably don't need most of this. Content type we need, and authorization we need. And this needs to be an async. Get rid of this crap. Leave that for a moment. We'll leave that. You know, I don't need any of this. Could refer back to the doc if I need to. Method is gonna get passed in here. Default to get. Oh wait, no, that's not how that works. Method. Method. Erase this. URL. We'll call this route, or what do you want to call it? Route, I guess. URL is going to be, throw this in here. It's going to be base URL plus route. And the base URL is this. And then the route is whatever. Let's do if method return. Probably want to do an error, but you know what? And then return. Okay. Base URL is that response method return response, and then this will be command, or it'll say route. Is it route? Yeah. We'll do this first. Method, or no, route and method. This will be the same for all. Cool. No method given, call Spotify API. And then this is going to be called Spotify API. And what else? Const response. Async function next track. Grab all these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or just .then, but we'll start here. Could do a try. Actually, let me think about this. Let's do a try on this. Try. So I could do a try and then throw here. That's probably the better way to do it. What? Oh, no catch. So let's do throw. Throw new error. And then, yeah. And no method given. Logs it out. Otherwise it returns. Okay. Next thing. Um, Before I even do this, say const no errors. Okay. Alright, so that's the API part, and then skip previous. Handle track command. Alright, cool. Let's start it up actually. npm start. Do I have? Or no, it's Vite, so it's npm dev or npm run dev. Let me see if this works. No, it's only for start and test, I think. Oh, what? Oh, I'm in the wrong section. cd client npm dev. Yeah, doesn't work. npm run dev. Start, test, and maybe some others that works for. Alright. Let's see what we get here. Console. What? Do I have that in here somewhere? Is it because no? Where's that coming from? Hmm. Why are these separate? Use effect. Use state. Okay. I think I need to clean this up. Don't like how that looks, but we'll come back to that. Um, let's see here. Server. I do want to clean up the server. Let's see. Pause track route. Yeah, I don't need any of this. We already tested all that. Might need cores. Don't need any of this crap. Don't really care about this. Is this used anywhere? Yes, it is. Okay, and then state key, whatever. Spotify command, I can get rid of all this crap. It's not gonna be needed. Login, that's fine. Callback, that's fine. Refresh token, that's fine. Don't really need that. But for testing, I can use it. In fact, don't need Express either. But I'll use it for testing. No, I actually don't want to do that. Yeah. Gotta think about this actually. Do I have a private keys? No. This doesn't exist, right? Okay, but I should add it. We'll actually call this auth server. Let me think about this. Let's call this auth lambda. Whoa, I didn't think that would be such an issue. Oh crap, I should have done that in Windows Explorer. I think it's frozen. I've done this before. Maybe it'll just take a while. I don't know. Dang, man. Seriously. Can't rename a folder. Um, something's up with that. I should probably look into fixing that or something as a project. Well, what if I do that? What if I just close it? Oh, that's ridiculous, dude. Yeah, I'm sure. Well, it did rename it. Okay. I'm gonna copy that into auth server. Rename. This will be auth server local server. So let's open that back up. Okay. So the local server will have not a lot. It's not gonna have any of this stuff. It's not gonna have query string. It can have cores. It's gonna have express. It's gonna have that. Not gonna have that. Not gonna have this. Or this. Or this. Any of it. Let's get rid of it all. And it'll just call a function. It'll be my auth lambda. This will be called handler.js. It's not going to have any dependencies. Cores are express at least. Shouldn't have a node modules, so it doesn't need to get ignore either. And it's just going to be a JS file. It's not going to have either of these, any of this. Redirect URI. So here I'm going to make a folder called private. This will be called keys, JSON. Let's make that one is called client ID. Oops. And client secret. Okay. Let's move this down in case I accidentally show it. But right now it doesn't matter. Cores, get rid of that. convert this into a function, regular function. State key. Is this used anywhere? Is it used in multiple places? Yes, it is. So we're going to move this up here. It's going to be a const. It's going to be renamed. Rename to, what's state key. Okay. Cool. Generate random string. App.get login. Hmm. So let's have a function. This inner part is all we care about. Handle login. Whoops. What am I doing? Handle login, and then this will be moved over to the express local. And it will call handler handle login. And while we're here, let's import that. Oops. So const and separate it, const equals require. Handler.handle login. Function handle login. Let me think about this. Export. Okay. Change these bars to let. Not a big deal, but let's do that. Handle login. Does state change? No. I actually don't mind this repeating. I think sometimes it's more clear. In this case though, where's the redirect URI? Right here. This is also, this only used in one place? No. So let's make that redirect URI. Let's make it like that. And then query string. Did I get rid of that? I think I did. I do need that. So where's that? Handler in here. I just got rid of it altogether. Okay, Node.js. Yeah. Okay, handler. Oh, let me just copy this whole thing. Is there a copy button? No. Okay. Query string, client ID. Cool. Okay. I might want Express actually. I'm thinking about it. Let's handle some stuff. Like cookies and stuff. Hold on, let me see. Express Lambda. AWS Serverless Express. Set cookie Lambda. I could just do that. I don't know. What else does it to redirect? Isn't that just a header? Express JS redirect. Redirects. Okay, how does it work? I think it's just a header. Let's see if this article talks about it. I mean, I could go look at the source. Actually, I kind of do want to do that. Express.js, GitHub. Sets the location header. I don't know. I just don't want to install dependencies. I don't know. India. That makes me want to do it even less. It makes me want to do it less. I'm gonna go without for now. And just do set the location header. Okay. Um, hmm. Request query. That is fine. Request cookies. Res.redirect again. I don't want it to be exactly, I don't want it to do exactly what this does, but it's okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, refresh token. Hmm. Trying to think what I want to do here. Do I want to use Serverless Express and then I'll have to change less? Kinda do. Let's look at, I keep going back and forth on that. Let's look at the example and see if for some reason they updated it and it doesn't use that anymore. And if it still does, then hold on 1 second. Okay, let's see here. What was I looking at? Oh yeah, I want to look at the example. Where was that thing? Was it in here? Yes? No? No, this wasn't it. Hey, what's up, Schoolie? How you been? Yeah, I've been doing some side project stuff. Just haven't been on stream. Nice, man. Good to hear. What's new? What's new with you? Oh, wow. I was about to ask that, man. I was just about to ask that. Very nice. Very nice. What can you tell me about it? What can you tell me about it? That is awesome, dude. Congratulations. Congratulations. I looked at your YouTube the other day and I was just thinking this guy's putting in a lot of work. He's definitely gonna get a job. Yeah. Yeah, you have like, I don't know, like so many videos of you, streaming all your coding work. I was like, he's definitely getting a job soon. Awesome, dude. When do you start? Are you moving for it, by the way, or are you moving just as a different thing? Start of April? Okay. Moving for it. Awesome, man. What what technologies is it? I'm assuming it's like the stuff you've been working on, but who knows, sometimes get hired for something totally different. So what kind of stuff, technologies, what kind of stuff you're working on? Not sure. Cool. Have you met anybody on the team or manager or anything? Because like it was weird. The job I have now, the people that like were in charge of interviewing me were totally different than the manager, which has been different with other jobs too. Um, oh, same there. Okay, yeah. It's kind of weird. It's like, to be honest, if I ever am a manager, I'm not just gonna take some random guy that other people interviewed. No offense to the other people, but I want to talk to them. But yeah, but the job I have now, they did the same thing. It was like totally different people did the hiring, and then after I got hired, I did the manager. Or I met the manager, and then after that, I met the team. So, oh, nice, Texas. Okay, okay. Man, Texas is like a hot spot. Is a hot spot for like developing, man. Like I know a lot of development jobs and people developers. Not I don't really know them, but I hear there's a lot of development stuff going on down there. Tesla has a new place down there. Not that I would be able to work there, but yeah. Yeah, for sure. I was considering like moving there potentially at some point. I was thinking a few places. Texas was one of them. Man, that's so cool, dude. Congrats. Congrats again. That's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, it's crazy. I saw and I know you're always streaming because I see all those videos, but like I looked at the Twitch lobby, I guess it's probably like whenever I look is like you're not on. But I know you are because you have all those videos posted. Because I've always like wanted to like stop by and say what's up during a stream, but it never happens. Or maybe I look, no, there's no way I look over the stream. Actually scroll through all of them, so yeah, that's cool, dude. Congrats, congrats. Awesome, dude. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by, and yeah, dude, I'm glad to hear the update. Thanks for stopping by and letting me know, dude. I'm very, very, very happy for you. Very excited. All right, man. Take care. Take care. That's cool, dude. That is cool. If you're watching this on YouTube later and you're just wondering, Schoolie. So I don't have the chat on my screen on my stream, but Schoolie is someone who he always not I don't want to say always, but he probably has been someone who's joins and says hello, and we have conversations probably more than any other viewer that I've while I've been streaming. Um, he went through boot camp and he worked his ass off and he got a job. So it's awesome. And we were just talking about it. Again, I don't have the chat on the screen. And if you want to check out his channel, You could go to my channel, like the main page, and search below. And it's in one of those. Like I have like 2 channels listed, and he is one of them. So if you want to check that out, check it out. Um, let's see. Where were we? So we were thinking about query string. Oh, let me format this. There we go. Get rid of those single quotes. Okay, so I was thinking about, do I want to use Express serverless or not? Again, if I use it, it'll make things much easier. Is there anything else, any other way to use Express on, oh, no, I remember what I was doing now. I was going to look at the code, the example code of Spotify that uses Express, and what is this? Interesting. Example app code, here we go. That uses Express, and see if they've changed and don't use it. Um, looks like they're still using it. 4.16.0, what do I have? Because it was probably the same, or no, I just pulled the package, so. Actually, I don't know. I might have installed this separately. I think I didn't use cookie parser. Oh, yeah, I didn't install query strings. That's already built in Node. And then, yeah, some other stuff. Okay. All right, cool. So I think I am gonna go with Express serverless. It's just easier. Express on Lambda. Another option could be to just use Google or Firebase functions Express built in. Pretty sure Express is built in. Um, I mean, based on what I'm reading, it's not. What? I don't know. I'm positive it is. Let me see if I can find that. Get started. Uh, yeah, they have that. I don't know if they actually have Express, but they do have something similar. Hmm. Okay. Anyways, again, to avoid rewriting code, um, what? What is this? AWS Serverless Express, that's all we need. Okay, so we're gonna go with that. It is part of AWS Labs, which is cool. I guess they're moving over to this crap, but that is what it is. All right. So what I'm gonna do is auth lambda. We're going to go inside of that. Whoops. Auth lambda. npmi Oops. Okay. How do you use this thing? Never use this. Probably very similar, right? What? Require app. Really? Do you really have to do all this? Hmm. Let me think about this again. So the cookie, that's not a big deal. The redirect, that's kind of annoying. Um, Let me see any res dots. Like, what are we doing with this? What about rec dots? What is request used for? Request is going to be like our Axios. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. What is request anyways? I don't think I've ever used that. Package has been deprecated. Nice. Nice. Okay. Um, yeah, we'll just use Axios instead. So we'll need to install that as well. We could use node fetch or something like that, but still thinking about if I want to use serverless express. You know what? I don't. I think I don't. Alright. I will use Axios though. So we're gonna go with npm I. I'm almost tempted to use Firebase instead of AWS, but not Serverless Express. Axios. Okay. And then handler. So let's fix these deprecated things first. New buffer. Use buffer from string encoding. Um, where's... I think we just need to do buffer from, yeah. There's no encoding. Simple enough. Simple enough. Anything else? Alright, let's look at this code. I'm gonna pull it up on the other screen. I'm just gonna do a quick comparison, make sure there's nothing different, totally different. I should have done a diff or just pulled the newest before, but I didn't. So let's check out, was it here? Yeah. Where am I at? Web examples. Okay. Authentication, authorization code, app. Okay, generate random string, text, possible, all that garbage. Return text. That looks good. I moved state key to the top. What else? The get is moved somewhere else. I know the get's right here. And the login. Random string. Scope. Cookie. Good. Redirect. Everything looks good. Callback. App.get callback. This actually will be identical basically, except for that buffer thing. So div checker. So if I just copy that in here and then copy, I think the formatting is gonna be off though. Well, let's find out. Ah, dang, it's way off. Not really though. We can kind of see the difference. They look identical, honestly. Yeah. Did I? They added a comment. Okay, I guess. But everything else is the same. Yeah. All right, cool. All right. So that's good. Um, and a login. Okay. So we're gonna convert all of these actually to something else. So we call function handle callback. And then we'll move this other thing over here. Okay. Wait. Oh, I didn't export it, right? Yeah. Okay. Um, Same here. Whoops, did I go too far? No. So we call no refresh token. Move this over here. And then export. All right. I am going to actually grab some stuff. That was it, right? Yeah. From Express. Okay, generate random string. That's self-contained. Handle login. Need to deal with this. Anyways, coming back to this, let's do this. Res, turn, um, handle login. Can we do this? About this. Is that even doing anything? No, I don't know. Maybe. I'm sure there's a way. I just don't know how. Comment it out. Do return. This might be pointless, but let's do it for now. Just want to make sure everything's hooked up properly. Can get rid of this. Okay, generate random string. It's whatever. Cool. And then the local server I'm testing with. Use cores. Yeah. So I have to get, let me think about this. So I don't want to return, actually, I want a console log. I guess I could return, but whatever. Whoa. Is that it? No. I knew I was missing one. Alright. Server. So let's run this thing. No, not this thing. npm local server. npm start. Do we have a start? Export function handle login. Unexpected token export. Wait. Oh, okay. Here, let's do this. Delete. Cool. Whoa, what? What is this? Oh, I know. It just read all the dependencies and node modules. Okay, cool. Handler.js, Axios, and then what was I even trying to do? Oh yeah, type module. Try that other thing again. Require. So, yeah, I could do either one, huh? It's fine. We could do. I kind of want to do import. Is that it? How do you do this? Import. Just need handler. Same thing. And I don't need this assertion. Let's see if that works. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Init async function init. I don't know. Sure, I'm doing this really dumb, but just get it working. It's just testing, anyways. Async. Work, please. Oh, right. Init. And then all the other stuff, I guess. Grab this, throw it up here, and I can actually do this now. Will that work? Where is that? That is not a big deal. Where was that example? There we go. Experimental. Wait, what is the error actually? Um, what? Why am I doing this in the first place? I forgot why I'm even doing this. Oh, because I was using export. Why did I do this? Hmm. I'm like halfway there. Like, which way should I go now? Oh boy. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna go back the other way. It's kind of crazy, but. And if I hate it, I'll go back the other way. What did I do right there? Just some cleanup. Okay, back to how it was. And then this thing here. Let's see, private keys. Right. So all I need to do is exports. Is exports dot handle login equals. I think you could even name this, but that's okay. We'll do that. You know what? I'm gonna name it. Change my mind. No, that might mess it up, right? I don't know. Let's try this. Might go back the other way. Let's see how it works. Why is only that blue or green? Okay. Let's change this back. Not be a module. That's something else. Okay. There we go. All right. So 8080. Login. Handle login, nice. And then callback. Handle callback and refresh token. I think this should probably be that. Still doing that one. Switch it over. Yeah, that's good. Handle refresh token, cool. All right. That was easy. Let's try to figure this out now. Okay, so we have this. It's just my local server that is gonna be like my basically Lambda. This just forwards it to the Lambda code. So those are hooked up properly. Just have to do these one by one. Oops. Good. All right. Any other cleanup to do before I start refactoring this? No, it's okay. It's not bad. Some of these could be const, but I don't care about that too much. Okay. This I'll have to set based on the function URL. But for now, it'll redirect to... That's kind of weird. It'll redirect to the other thing. This is like the callback, basically. Okay, so what next? I gotta replace these requests, so let's do that. I don't want to be using a deprecated package, really. So, an Axios seems to be something that'll stay around for a while. So let's look how this works. So request.post, it takes, there's a callback function, and then what's the first part? Oops. Options. Okay. It's going to be very similar to Axios. Just trying to see those options. It's whatever. Okay. So pretty much just need to look at the Axios stuff, and I could pretty much ignore this for now. Alright, so anytime you have a request dot, it's going to be replaced. Axios dot. Axios has that, right? Post. Yeah, Axios dot post. Yeah, so the way Axios works, if you do... Actually, not necessarily. Here's the signatures. Axios post. Yeah, they all start with URLs. This isn't going to work. So I need to do request probably. Okay. So let's do Axios dot request. Well, let me think about this. I could do post just to keep it similar. Data config. Okay, let's do that. So let's just make this the URL as the first one. So this thing. Let's actually do this. Let URL equals that. Probably should be a const, but who cares? And then we'll say URL. And then the auth options would be third. Null, I guess. Wait a second. Params. Is that right? Data. Hmm. Interesting. I think with this form we're good actually. Alright, request dot. Or actually it's now Axios dot. Same thing. Close this. Looks good. And get would just be, what's the URL? Hmm. Almost completely changing my mind on that now, to be honest. Yeah, I am. Dang it. It's okay. Alright, so we're gonna use, we are going to use, request. And then this will include the method, which is post. I think I could just do lowercase post. And same with the other ones. Auth options, method, post, request, and then same with this. Get. Okay. I don't remember the point of this. I could probably get rid of this. It just logs out. Yeah, I'm actually going to do that. Cool. We need to include Axios. Let's do that. Here, let's do this. Axios dot. There we go. And then see, there's no callbacks, right? So this is gonna be dot then. Like that, I guess. Let's bring this back in, make sure it's okay. Everything's good. Cool. I mean, this is probably wrong, but I think it's just response. I'm not gonna worry about the catch. Or should I? I really should. Yeah, let's do it. Let's not be lazy. What is this? Actually gonna do that and then return error. Return error. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, and then where was that other than? Catch. Callback. Okay. Not gonna worry about this. Um. Good thing is I don't need to do a lot of like stuff with the routes. It's just 3 routes and very basic. Um, so I could just say equal to login equal to callback, whatever. All right. What next? So got rid of X or got rid of request. Should be 3 of those. So that's Axios request. And let's see what else. All right, handle login. Why was that example 8888? I forgot. Is that the port they used? Maybe. Do I still have that? I should have that up. Probably don't. I'm gonna combine some of these windows. Sure, there's a faster way to do this, but I'll do it like this. Don't care about that or that. Here's the front end. Let's see where I'm at. Let's see, example app code. Pretty sure they were just using 8888. Yeah. Alright, so I can just use, what am I using? 8080. This will change the function URL, but for now. 8080, yep. Okay. So 8080. Gotta go into my developer console and edit the settings. The callback URL is gonna be HTTP localhost 8080 slash callback add. What? Oh, what the heck? Gotta log back in. There we go. I don't know if that's saved. No, it did not. Save. There we go. Alright, so the redirect URI is now set on the developer console to localhost 8080. Okay. Definitely some more things I need to do. While I am here, add the other user, which is be myself. Nice. Probably gonna stop pretty soon, get some food, but we'll keep going for a minute. So the other issue is, the first issue is this. We need to figure out the cookie stuff and the redirect stuff. This is weird though. This is weird. There's no good way to do it, I don't think. I can test it locally. Hmm. AWS Lambda fonts. No. Ah, it's a vent. That's what I was thinking of. Okay. Okay. So you could just return whatever, and it just returns. There's gotta be a way to set headers, right? Really? I need that? Hmm. Do I have to use API Gateway? Wait a second. Lambda function URL headers response. At any time, I could switch over to Firebase if it's becoming a pain. I just don't really want to use API Gateway. It's not a big deal. It's just an extra cost. It's very cheap, but it is an extra cost for no reason, at least for what I'm trying to do. Um, hmm. But if that's the only way to set headers without API Gateway, then API Gateway. I think that's potentially the only way. I think I already looked this up, but let's try it again. No way to do this. This guy does have a ton of reputation. Interesting. Um, hmm. Okay. Lambda at edge. Let's check this out. Not a big deal. Let's not be dumb about this. Let's take a look at the pricing. Yeah, 1 million API calls free. No, it's per month. Let's just take a look. Okay, after the pre-tier, $1 per million. Okay. And I will be using, I'm not going to be using the Rust. I don't need that. Okay. I guess that's what I'll be using. Could also Firebase. Let's look at the pricing on that. There's other services too, but you know what? Let me look at Azure Functions just for fun. Pricing. Yeah, I don't really. I mean, this is fine. I'm not worried about this at all. I mean, I'll never get a million anyways, so it'll be less than $1. But I just don't necessarily want to do that. So it's kind of interesting. They changed the cloud function. You used to be able to do it through the Spark plan, I think, and now they changed it, and you can only do it through the Blaze plan. But yeah, 2 million free. Let's just see if you can set headers. I'm sure you can. It's like request or express. Yeah. Hmm. I'm gonna think about it. I'm not opposed to, I mean, either one's fine, honestly. I'm not opposed to using API Gateway at all. I don't know. The nice thing about using Firebase is I will get these for free, I believe. I don't have to change anything else. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna stop there. I'm leaning towards Firebase, but not for sure set on it. Um, but to do this stuff now, locally, um, let me rename this auth function. Let's close. Okay. To do it locally for now, I will need to install Express here as well. So let's do that. All right, cool. Um, what do I have here? Gorzen Express. Cool. All right, I'm gonna stop there, and I think, like I said, I'm gonna come back, try it with Firebase, because we'll require minimum code changes, I think. And well, first I'll try it locally now that I've expressed there, and then move to Firebase. Hopefully it works, and then that's kind of done. Test out the refresh stuff, and then hook it up with the front end, and then start actually making uh, Spotify web API calls on the front end as well. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.